Hey guys, welcome back. This video is about the 30-day challenge by Pink Artboard, which I have successfully finished with the Paradise Crush 48 paper pad, which has 16 designs, 3 papers of each design. I've made 10 traveler's notebooks and 1 big book. There are no die cuts in this paper pad, and guess what? Wani Group sent me an abundant mail to encourage me while doing this challenge. So I included a die cut sentiment sheet that she sent on each of the book covers to make her a part of this journey. So this is the first book. I've included some painted images, a fabric pocket, and a shaker card pocket that I've made. It's not a pocket, it's a shaker card. This is a page from a magazine for which I've made a corresponding tag and an ECG sheet here. Some more of the plain papers and ruled papers. I've fussy cut out some elements from each paper pad, from each design, so as to include them as tuck spots here and there. I've hand painted some of the papers on some of the papers, and here's a beautiful gold sequin fabric, some of the hand painted papers, some ECG papers. So just like Pink Artboard, I tried to incorporate different kinds of papers in a way that I knew. Some more of the doilies, and here's a painted flamingo that I've included on here. So this challenge has been extremely useful to me, so as to just use up everything that I had, which is quite difficult with a beautiful paper pad like this especially. So I took up such a vibrant colored paper pad. So this is a Love What You Do, which I've backed on with some fabric and all of that, and some beads here and there on the paper clips to keep the shaker cards intact. And this is a Kanchipuram silk fabric. That's my mom's sari that just accidentally tore one day, and so I'm just using it up. And here's a hibiscus flower that I poorly tried to imitate some other artist, which didn't work out. And there's this tuck spot, a shaker card, and more of the tuck spots here and there. I have not embellished all of the books heavily, but some are well embellished, I guess. So, and this is some more of the ruled papers, some cards or notelets, as you can say. Some more of the fabrics, that trims that I've included. Fabric pocket, tulle fabric. Some more of the fussy cut elements that I stuck on as tuck spots. More of the hand painted papers. Some tabs here and there. And some hand painted flamingos, as you can see. I live in the tropics. We do not have flamingos for sure, but someday I would make a book about my own city, beautiful city. There are a lot of palm trees, of course, coconut trees, over here. So, and the next book here is a Dream Big. I love this image on top, and I've just packed it on with some fabric. I've added the cinnamon Dream Big on that. I've painted it, and then this beautiful trim. I've painted pineapples here and there, and some more of that fabric pocket, some shaker cuts that I'm shaking. Yeah, I've done some stamping which went wrong, so I just thought I'd cover it up. And then that's not stamping actually. I took a stencil and just botched on some, what should I say, acrylic paint. Some more of the notelets here and there. those are tuck spots here and there, and some pineapples that I've painted. It's a beautiful fabric trim that I have. So yeah, I think you should just see and enjoy. So the next book is a flamingo book. I've painted some hibiscus flowers here and there, which came out poorly, but I'm okay with that. Some more of the fabric trims that I have. Sorry for being out of focus, out of the field, visual field. This is my third time shooting the book already, because I wanted to do it in bright light. I've added an embellishment on the flamingo just to make it look interesting. It may look funny though, but this is a flamingo picture from a table calendar. Yeah, I've tried shooting it the third time because it's raining heavily and the monsoons have hit us real bad this time. So the light is pretty low, but I've somehow managed. I wanted to shoot this in daylight just to bring out the colors in the paper pad because they're so vibrant. I didn't want to cut them apart, but I had to. Some of the papers were glossy finish papers, some were like canvas papers in this paper pad. And then the next book is Don't Follow Your Dreams, Chase Them. Some leftover pineapple scribbles that I've done, some shaker pockets, some fabrics from my stash, some tuck spots on the ECG paper, some more fabrics, flip up, some paintings that I've done, all kinds of papers. So I'll put on some music and kindly enjoy the flip through, because some envelopes that I've included. Yeah, and some, yeah, I tried to paint some palm leaves and all of that. They came out fine. Yeah, some of them, yeah. Season of Love. This beautiful applique, gold applique that I've just sewed on directly. Yeah, that's the first page has a decoupage, napkin decoupage. The napkin was by Vani Group, and this is a hand-painted image of a hibiscus, some more of the tuck spots and some peach fabrics, and more of the envelopes, some belly band here, and some more flip up. Yeah, and then 2 sheets were left out Actually 3 sheets were left out. From 2 of the sheets I've made these mini albums by Lyrie Clover. I followed her video some time ago. And the last leftover sheet I made shaker card, a set of shaker cards that I've included in each book. Only You Can is this next book. Yeah, some palm leaves that I've painted, and it's been paper clipped accidentally. And so this shaker card and this beautiful, I didn't show you that page properly, but it did come out well. A collage of blues and teals. Your wings already exist, all you have to do is fly. Yes, this is the next book, and these are the papers with some metallic sheen, some flamingos that I painted, following a video on some YouTube video that I don't know. I forgot the name. I just typed watercolor flamingos and there it came. I'm trying my hand in watercolors these days. I guess the inspiration for that comes from Pink Artboard, because I've seen her use some beautiful teals, use some beautiful watercolors, or I don't know what colors, but in her book Waves. I was so impressed. It's a magnolia. Is that magnolia leaves? Yeah, this is the next book. It says Dream. They have a metallic sheen, some shaker pockets, some gold fabrics, and yeah, and some lace pockets. And this is the mini album that I've told by Lyrie Clover, and I just, whatever scraps were remaining, papers from the paper pad, I just inserted them into the pockets above. She made some mini albums with single 12 by 12 sheets, and also, yeah, so I just followed that. And so yeah, this is a kind of a bookmark that I tried to make, which you can use. It's a pocket. I'm sorry that it's not so clearly visible because I was hurrying while making the video. Yeah, so more of the, I've stamped on some flowers here and there, some pineapple images that I've painted, some doilies I've painted, which didn't come out so great, but I'm okay. Now I've painted on some hibiscus here and there, and in some papers, and so I've cut them out and just paper clipped them in case. So this is the big book that I made, and I did not cover up this chocolate box, Chocofills box, because this is some personal, I wanted to keep it as a memory, this box, so I just made it into a book. All of the leftover sheets, I've just included them in here. Additional to the 48 papers that I've used from the paper pad, I've used 4 additional sheets sent by Vani Karoop to include in this book, so as to, because I'd be using this book anyway, so I wanted her to be in the part of that. So yeah, so I made some fabric pockets here and there. I guess the papers are so beautiful. I'm sorry I had to quickly flip through, but then there's no time. So this is the big book that I've made, and here are the rest of the books that I've made, and I'm glad that I've taken up this challenge by April, Pink Artboard. Thank you so much, April, for giving us a chance to do something that's so close to impossible. So if you like this video, please hit a like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.